Look at the colors.
They're beautiful.
Mom, I see the town.
And look, it's character G.
Careful, it's very hot, dear. Thank you, Mom. Mom, is there cocoa for me? Cheers. Clink. This is so warm. Mmm.
I think this will be delicious. Oh.
Looking forward to it, sweetheart. The noodles are ready, everyone!
Yay! Hooray!
Dig in! Slurp, slurp. Mm.
Slurp, so good.
That's right, my little dears. Eat up!
Looks like the rain is picking up. I hope the others are warm.
The sunset is lovely. Hurry in, the rain's picking up.
Let's watch the waves from inside.
All right, here we go.
Got it. Kids, are you ready?
Yay, yay!
Success!
Now we can stay dry. Let's go make some dinner. All right, time for the BBQ. Look at the rain, it's beautiful.
Is it working, Dad?
Almost, just need to light it up.
Don't forget the vegetables.
Almost ready, kids.
They look delicious.
Delicious. Wow, so much smoke.
Here, let me cool this for you.
Thank you, Dad. It's perfect.
I'm glad you like it.
Wow, look, it's glowing. Hello, little light. I love watching the fireflies at night. Me too, the stars are beautiful. Look, over there. Wow.
Time for bed.
Good night.
Yawn.
Yawn.
Sleep tight.
Wow, look at that. It's so beautiful. Let's say hi. Hi.
Isn't it just beautiful?
It truly is.
I'm glad we're here together.
Isn't this view just breathtaking?
It truly is, my love. Perfect way to start the day.
Look at that sunrise. It's beautiful. Wow.
So pretty.
Let's walk this way.
Okay, Mom.
Come on, let's get you two wet.
Watch out, Dad.
Oh no, a counterattack.
He's here too.
Good boy, good boy.
Try to get me. Watch out, Dad.
I'm getting you back.
Breakfast is ready, everyone.
Coming, Mom. Yes.
Wonderful, come eat.
Isn't this picnic lovely?
It's perfect, honey. Let me dry your hair, little guy.
Thanks, Dad.